Okay, so here we have Okjay and Whiskey, and what we're going to be doing today, or what I'm going to be doing today, is basically just having them exercise. And then my horse is the white one, my mom's is the Frisian. She's 3, Whiskey's 9, I think. He's a paint, and what we're just gonna do a couple exercises with Whiskey. Okjay's still learning a little bit, so yeah, I'll try and this is only me doing it, so I'll try and do the best I can with just doing it myself. Yeah, okay, so here we go. Here we go. Hi, buddy. Sorry, there's a fly on me. Okay. Yes, I would hang our halters up right now, but my hands are full holding the camera and everything else. Oh, watch the tail, okay? Okay, so we're just gonna get him running in a circle right now. Let's go. Whiskey, get up there. Whiskey, go. Go, 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 buddy, go. Sorry if I'm not getting Okjay in there. She's slower than what I thought today. Okay. Up, get up there. Yes, it's hot for them to be doing this. I know. Well, it's sort of hot. Whiskey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. And yes, when I switch hands, they'll switch their way they're going. That's what I taught them. Just makes it easier. And so if you can't see the whip, then they're turning the way. My hands, the whip's in my hand, whatever, yeah. Okjay is pretty good about it. Whiskey's crazy. Let's go. Sorry if I'm not getting both of them. Oh. They're pretty good about stopping when I say whoa. Whiskey always squares off. He's not bad about that. Okjay's the same. Oh. Here's my Bobby. That's a kitty. Oh girl. Oh boy. Okay. So my battery's dying, so I'm gonna try and do this fast. So don't need nothing for him, just backing since we need more room. Yeah, I do a lot of cool stuff with him. I do barrel racing is currently what we're doing. He can spin. I get him to stand on, well, they're not here right now, big pallets and stuff like that. I'm still working on Okjay. She was imported, so that's why she has a weird name. Yeah, but this is definitely going to go on YouTube, probably, I don't know. But yeah. And so there we have it. We have Okjay, the black Frisian, and Whiskey, the paint. Yep, okay. Comment and yeah, all that cool stuff. Bye.